Good morning, students. Myself, Kajal Kapil. I am your science teacher from Baba Kishan Das Public Senior Secondary School, Salana, District Fatehgarh Sahib. Students, as we have started chapter number 7, that is conservation of plants and animals, we have discussed some of its topics in the previous videos, and in this video we will discuss the next topic. So our next topic is wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuaries are the areas where protection and suitable living conditions are provided to the wild animals. ये वो areas हैं जहाँ पे हम wild animals को प्रॉपर प्रोटेक्शन और सूटेबल लिविंग कंडीशंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दीज आर द सेंचुरीज वेयर किलिंग और कैप्चरिंग ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड. इन एरियाज़ में वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को किल करना और उन्हें कैप्चर करना स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड होता है. सम ऑफ द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स लाइक एलिफेंट, गोल्डन कैट, पिंक हेडेड डक, घड़ियाल, मार्श क्रोकोडाइल etc. are protected in our wildlife sanctuaries. So these are the examples of the wild animals which are protected in the wildlife sanctuaries. Next we have our next topic, that is national park. These are the areas which preserves the ecosystem. These areas provide protection to the ecosystem. They preserve flora and fauna and ecosystem of an area. So these are also that areas which preserve the ecosystem, flora and fauna of an area. Satpura National Park is the first national park in the India. Rock shelters are also found in Satpura National Park. These are the evidence of human life in these jungles. Rock paintings are also found in these shelters. Figures of animals and men fighting, hunting, dancing are shown in these paintings, which show the existence of human life in these areas. Rock shelters are found in Satpura National Park. इंडिया में फर्स्ट नेशनल पार्क इज़ सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क. यहाँ पे रॉक शेल्टर्स बने हुए हैं. ह्यूमंस की और एनिमल्स की पेंटिंग है, फाइटिंग करते हुए, डांस करते हुए, हंटिंग करते हुए, जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि पहले जो ह्यूमंस थे वो इन एरियाज़ में एग्जिस्ट करते थे. Next we have our next topic, which is Project Tiger. Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tigers in the country. The objective of this project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of tiger population in the country. So Project Tiger was launched to protect the tigers. इस प्रोजेक्ट को टाइगर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था. Tiger is one of the many species which are slowly disappearing from our forests. So that's why this project is being launched. You can see the picture of tiger. Next we have our next topic, that is endangered animals. The animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as the endangered animals. Endangered animals वो animals हैं जिनकी जो लेवल है वो डिक्रीज़ होता जा रहा है और वो कभी भी ख़त्म हो सकते हैं. दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस इन द नेचुरल हैबिटेट ऑफ एनिमल्स. वाइल्ड बफेलो एंड बारासिंगा आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज़, विच मीन्स इफ़ दे आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड दे माइट फेस एक्सटेंक्शन. तो ये वो एनिमल्स हैं जिन्हें अगर हम प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड ना करें तो वो एक्सटिंक्ट भी हो सकते हैं. द वाइल्ड बफेलो एंड बारासिंगा आर शोन इन द पिक्चर्स. So students, next we have your homework related to the topics that we have recently discussed. So first we have multiple choice question. First is, when was Project Tiger actually launched by our government? Options are 15 April 1973, 1st of April 1973, 12th of April 1973, 14th of April 1973, and the correct answer is 1st of April 1973. Next we have very short answer question. First is, what are national park? These are the areas which preserve flora, fauna and ecosystem of an area. Next we have long answer question. Answer in brief. First part is, why should we conserve biodiversity? हमें biodiversity को क्यों conserve करना चाहिए? Answer is, biodiversity is the variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in an area. Animals feed on plants, so in order to conserve wildlife we have to conserve the biodiversity. अगर हम wildlife को conserve करना चाहते हैं तो इसलिए हमें biodiversity को भी conserve करना पड़ेगा. Next we have second part, that is protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals. Why? जो प्रोटेक्टेड फॉरेस्ट होते हैं वो भी कम्प्लीटली सेफ़ नहीं होते. उसका क्या रीज़न है? दिस इज़ बिकॉज सम पीपल लिविंग इन द नेबरहुड कैप्चर दैम, किल दैम एंड डिस्ट्रॉय दैम. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द नेबरहुड. Next we have some tribals depend on jungle. How? Some tribals depend on the jungle. Rock shelters are found in Satpura National Park which are the evidence of human life in the jungles. जो ट्राइबल्स हैं वो जंगल्स पे डिपेंड करते हैं, इसके जो एविडेंस है वो सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क में पाए गए हैं. What are the causes and consequences of deforestation? First we have the causes of deforestation. क्या कारण है deforestation के? Construction of roads and dams, overgrazing by cattle, construction of houses and factories. Next we have consequences. इसके क्या effects हैं? Excessive floods, soil erosion and climatic changes. So students, you have to write these questions in your fair notebook and understand them properly. So students, I hope that you all have understood the concepts properly. We will discuss the next concepts in the next video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.